Hi guys, and welcome to the checkup today on page 137, and our topic is 21 directed numbers. And Miss Campbell and I would like you just straight away to go to do it, and we would like you to do all of this exercise from 1 to 10. It's just a recap on everything we've covered so far this week. Then we go down as far as solve it, and we have draw a number line from minus 30 to plus 30 going up in intervals of 5. So basically, guys, you have to include your 0, and it's like your scale, 1 is to 5. So it's basically like the information you see on any bar chart, except it's just one individual line. And remember, the most important part is that the markings, the notches, must be equidistant from each other. That's so important. Then draw a thermometer and mark in each of the following temperatures. Now, our temperatures go from -9, -9 to 9 above freezing, +9. So basically, you're going to be doing it's like a number line, a vertical number line, and it's obviously not as detailed as this, but that you get the idea. So that's, and you just, you know how to draw, I don't. So you just have to record A, B, C, D, E, and F and G on this vertical number line, and then if you draw your surrounding to make it into a thermometer, QED, for you guys, not me. Then say it. Numbers to the right of the 0 are, yes, positive numbers. Numbers to the left of the 0 are, yes, negative numbers. What are bigger than 0? Positive numbers. So therefore, negative numbers are less than 0. -7 is known as -7, and +5 is known as, yes, +5. And degree is a measure of how hot or cold something is, and it is measured in Celsius. And in the States, on the other side of the Atlantic, it would be Fahrenheit that's used. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, according to our class. And when you owe the bank money, your bank account is in, yes, debit. When you have money in the account, it is credit. And your parents and I, we specialise in debit and credit on a daily basis. So all ahead of you, lads, all ahead of you. Now, we share it. So pick 2 destinations anywhere in the world. They should be different continents, example, Sydney and Moscow. Use the international newspaper to find the daily temperatures of that place over a period of days. Record and display the results for both places in a bar chart, and present your results to the class, which you can't do. So basically, guys, you're going to be recording the temperatures of 2 places, and you could pick a place from a city from the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. They'd probably just want the temperatures to be a little bit different, and so then you have to record over 5 to 7 days, depending on whether you want 5 or 7. But in order to do that, you have to ask your mums and dads, or dads, for their mobile phones in order to access their weather app, or just look at it up online. And then it says display in a bar chart. So that's great for revisiting your bar chart. See, it's all integration, cóthathú, as they say, oscuelga. And you must remember that you have to put in your title, your X and Y axis, your scale interval. 1 is to 1, 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 1 is 3, whatever. And then unfortunately we cannot present the results to the class. And so, guys, that's going to take you a few days anyway to do, the guts of a week. But remember, your ruler is important, that the bars should be equal distant, equal width, and then equidistant from each other. Well, always. So that's the rules. It's all about being precise, about the visual and the aesthetic of it. That's when you're presenting information visually and pictorially. That's what you really are aiming to see, guys, in pie charts, bar charts, bar line graphs, etc. Anyway, so we'll talk to you next week, and obviously this will be uploaded. The results of this page will be uploaded, and I think this is quite an easy page for you to do. Actually, you have very little to do. So, and then the other the revision worksheet has also been uploaded today. Okay, talk to you next week, guys. Bye.